In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up on chess.com step by step. Chess.com is one of the most popular online platforms for playing chess, learning strategies, solving puzzles, and competing with players from around the world. Creating an account only takes a few minutes, and once you're signed up, you can start playing games instantly, track your progress, and improve your chess skills. I'll walk you through the entire process, so even if you've never used the site before, you'll be able to create your account without any confusion. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to chess.com/register. You can type this directly into the address bar or simply search for chess.com sign up in Google and open the official registration page. Once the page loads, you'll see the account creation screen where chess.com asks how you want to create your account. This page is designed to make the process quick and flexible so you can choose the method that works best for you. Next, select the sign-up method you prefer. Chess.com allows you to create an account using your email address, or you can sign up instantly using Google, Apple, or Facebook. If you choose one of the social login options, the platform will automatically connect your account and speed up the registration process. Most people simply use their email address, which is what we'll demonstrate here. If you're signing up with email, type in your email address and create a password. Your password should be at least 8 characters long, and it's always a good idea to make it secure by including numbers or symbols. After entering your email and password, click Continue to move to the next step of the registration process. Now you'll be asked to choose a username. Your username is the name other players will see when you play games, send messages, or appear on leaderboards. Try to pick something unique and easy to remember. If the name you want is already taken, chess.com will suggest alternatives that are available. Once you've decided on your username, confirm it and continue. After that, chess.com will finish setting up your account and may ask a few optional questions about your chess experience or skill level. These questions help personalize your experience and recommend puzzles, lessons, and opponents that match your level. You can answer them or skip them if you prefer and go straight to the platform. Once your account is created, you'll be taken to the chess.com dashboard where you can start playing games, solving puzzles, watching lessons, and exploring the community. You can also customize your profile, add a profile picture, and adjust your settings whenever you want, and that's it. You've successfully signed up for a chess.com account and you're ready to start playing chess online. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.